Today I want to share with you an absolute beast of a backhoe that my buddy JT has. It is a 1974 Ford 5500 with a 74 horsepower diesel engine, and let me tell you, I have driven it. This thing is a beast. The loader has got just tons of power. It pushes things like no other. The backhoe's just got tons of reach, huge bucket. This is a really cool old piece of equipment, and over time him and I are going to fix this thing up with some new tires and new paint and really make it look nice. But in the meantime, it's got a just beautiful running Ford diesel engine, and we're going to hear it run right now. Go ahead, Jay. It has been sitting a long time, so. Come on, batteries, don't fail us now. Let the battery cool for a second. Take two with a little bit of juice provided by his absolutely sassy 2015 6.7 Power Stroke. We do have a couple little wiring things we need to solve. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a bear to decide to throw over that solenoid. Come on, sweetie, you're almost there. Yep, you're going now. Ah, she's such a gem. My understanding is it has almost 15 foot of vertical height, and it'll dig down over 17 feet as its reach and its lift. It is such a classy old machine. Needs just a little bit of work and a little bit of paint, and it's going to be ready to go. If any of you guys have any prior experience or current experience with a Ford 5500 backhoe like this, please put it in the comment section. Let us know anything that you've learned over the years. Any tips, any tricks. We got to get some tires for it. The front tires are shot. The rear tires aren't great. The problem is, from what we can tell, no one makes these front tires anymore. If anybody has access to these front tires, let us know. Two decent ones that could be worked on. I'd love to buy them from you. And any recommendations on, was this the original color of some of them? I know that Ford had a industrial line, and some of them may have been painted this color, but in 74, would you expect it to look like this? Does anybody have any access to the lug nuts? It's missing a few lug nuts here and there. The engine was fully rebuilt not that long ago. Probably 6 or 7 years ago, but it's barely had any use in 6 or 7 years. So the engine is just a really smooth runner. But if anybody has any recommendations on restoring this, or if you've personally restored one, let me know anything that you know about it. We would love to learn from you about it. Also, does anybody know what these are used for? There's one on the other side too in a matching location. I just have no idea what those would have been used for. They're pretty heavy, and they look like they're threaded. I mean, they're threaded, and I don't know what that would have ever been used for. So it must have been something specific. As far as we know, that there was an old oil well in the vicinity of where this truck or where this tractor was originally, or owned by someone in the vicinity of oil wells going on. We don't know any history on it like that, but if anybody has any oil or gas knowledge about why or when they would use something like this, and especially those add-ons, let me know. I'm sure that this has been rebuilt right here. That doesn't look OEM, but let me know if you guys think it is. Basically, any information you can tell us about this, we would love to know, because we just don't know that much about its history, and there's not a whole lot of information online about these. They exist. They were known to be very good units. It's just that, you know, we don't know a lot about the original configuration, because it's not like a 1969 Boss 429 Mustang. They're not commonly restored, and we would like to bring this thing back into ready-to-use condition over time and do new seals, repaint it, all that kind of stuff, new tires, and really make it ready to work again. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know anything you know about Ford 5500 tractors. We're all charged up. Go ahead, Jay. As we say that, we got a wire that excites the starter motor that is being a little janky. Watch this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Come on now, sweetie. Let's go. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Cycle the key once all the way to off, then all the way back. Sometimes it helps. Oh, just as I try and film it, it doesn't want to do it. There's probably a break in the wire. It deserves some attention. It is a good girl, and we love it.